Hey guys, welcome back, DIY enthusiasts and professional builders. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best hammer drills on the market. Whether you're drilling into concrete, brick, or other tough materials, these powerhouses are designed to make your job easier. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. Let's get started. Number 5. Milwaukee 2018-420M 18 Fuel 1-2N. Hammer drill. Milwaukee is one of the world's leading power tool brands with a reputation for high quality and durability. Their compact hammer drill takes our top spot for its all-around appeal. It delivers the kind of performance and reliability that makes it a good investment for both keen amateurs and professionals. Milwaukee claims the 28-420 cordless hammer drill is the most powerful in its class. For standard drilling operations, it offers 2,000 RPM and its 100 ft-pounds of torque on tap are sufficient to drive substantial augers and hole saws when drilling wood. Switching to hammer action provides 32,000 BPM for efficient drilling in masonry and concrete. The PowerState brushless motor combines with RedLink battery management to maximize power delivery and runtime between charges. It also has overload protection to prevent damage when the drill is pushed to its limits. A drill of this power needs a high-capacity battery, and a 5Ah unit is recommended. However, as is common with cordless tools, neither this nor the charger are included. If a spare is added, it will more or less double the initial price. Given that this is already a premium tool, we would have expected a case, but one is not provided. Number 4. Skil 7.5 amp 1-2-inch corded hammer drill. The Skil 7.5 amp corded hammer drill is an ideal choice for the occasional user. It isn't big on features, but has all the necessary functions, and is perfectly adequate for hanging pictures on a brick wall or putting up shelves in a cinder block garage. The 1-2-inch chuck means it will take large drill bits, and with a maximum speed of 3,000 RPM, it will outperform most drill drivers. Skil gives an impact per minute IPM rate rather than the more common BPM, but it means the same. In this case, it's a surprising 48,000. The 2-finger trigger and soft grip handle are nice touches that add a little comfort. A trigger lock means it doesn't need to be held in all the time. There's also a useful depth gauge. The power cord is only 6 feet, which means you're going to be using an extension cord most of the time. But that's true of most corded power tools. It's a shame they decided to save a few cents with a keyed chuck rather than keyless. Those keys are all too easy to misplace, which can be very frustrating. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Max SDS Rotary Hammer Drill Kit. The DeWalt SDS Rotary Hammer Drill is the most impressive cordless drill we came across during our research. It's what is often called a prosumer model, appealing to DIY enthusiasts taking on substantial remodeling jobs, and contractors looking for lightweight and versatility. This drill set has drill, and hammer-only functions. It is fitted with a 1-inch SDS Max chuck and runs at a maximum speed of 1050 RPM. BPM is 4D600, and each blow comes with an impact force of 21 joules 15 ft-pounds. Heavy hammering like that causes a lot of vibration, which soon becomes tiring. DeWalt employs shock-active vibration control to dramatically reduce user discomfort and extend working time. The DeWalt SDS rotary hammer comes with a charger and 2 high-capacity 5A batteries, so there can always be a spare available to reduce downtime. Each has a useful 3-stage LED giving charge status. There's a depth rod, and the whole kit comes in a durable plastic case. For professional users, the DeWalt SDS rotary hammer can be paired with DeWalt's onboard extractor, thus complying with OSHA Table 1 standards for protection against respirable crystalline silica. Number 2. Bosch 11255 VSR Bulldog Xtreme SDS-Plus rotary hammer. You can tell by the appearance that the Bosch Bulldog Xtreme is made for serious work. The slender design allows you to lean into the tool when necessary, applying maximum pressure. Not that much effort will usually be required. Performance figures are impressive for a tool in this price range with a maximum speed of 300 RPM, 800 BPM, and impact energy of 2 ft-pounds. The variable trigger allows slow starting, reducing the chances of the drill bit wandering. It also allows accurate positioning when chiseling. The large D handle has plenty of room for a gloved hand and includes a metal plate at the front that flips down to create a useful hanging hook. There's a depth rod, and Bosch Pro Guard dust extraction can be added for those who need to comply with OSHA regulations. An automatic clutch is fitted to the SDS-Plus chuck, which is a great safety feature. If the bit jams, the drive is disconnected, thus preventing wrist injury. There isn't any vibration control, so although the Bosch Bulldog Xtreme is only 7 pounds, it can get tiring after a while. As with all brush motors, the brushes will eventually wear and need replacing, though the job is fairly straightforward. Number 1. Eneacro 114-inch SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer Drill. The Eneacro SDS-Plus Rotary Hammer is remarkable both in terms of what you get for the money and the performance it delivers. In addition to the drill itself, the kit includes 3 drill bits, 2 chisel bits, grease, spare brushes for the motor, and a wrench. To keep everything organized, there's a tough plastic case. A top speed of 820 RPM isn't as fast as some, but the 200 BPM is delivered with a powerful impact force of 5 ft-pounds. There's an anti-vibration system and a soft grip handle for operator comfort. There's also a safety clutch that disengages the drive if the bit jams to prevent injury. An exhaust helps stop the motor from overheating, and the base is designed to prevent dust from getting in. We're a little surprised there isn't a depth gauge, but it's a minor gripe on an otherwise very good tool. There's really only one thing that prevents us from recommending the Eneacro rotary hammer for professional use, and that's the weight. At 1258 pounds, it is heavy for a tool that is going to be used all day. DIers can usually take a break, but contractors can't afford to. So, there you have it. The top 5 best hammer drills that combine power, durability, and user-friendly features. Be sure to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more top tool reviews and DIY tips. Thanks for watching, and happy drilling!